So after years of use, the headlights of this Camry 2011 have faded. So I'm trying to restore them a little bit. And the product I will use is this. It's a rubbing compound which is clear coat safe. And I'll show you how I do it, and let's see what the results are. So I'll apply some of this rubbing compound and start from here. Let's see how all of it goes. This is how it is coming off. So now I'll do time lapse. So I forgot to show you this upper part of how it is looking now, and then let's see how it looks after. So I'm going to do the final buff now. And I think it definitely looks better than what we began with. So it's easy, 10-minute job. You can do it on both headlights. Thanks for watching. I did the cleaning on the fog lamps also. This is the before pictures, and these are after the cleaning. So they were also improved. Again, thanks for watching.